Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Nissan Rogue headlight bulb using an easy method. First, open your vehicle's hood and prop it up safely. Next, locate the headlight assembly and determine which bulb, either the low or high beam, needs replacing. You will primarily need a new replacement bulb and possibly a small flathead screwdriver for the driver's side air intake, making this a straightforward task. Now, let's get to accessing the bulb. For the driver's side, you might need to gently remove a small section of the air intake duct, often held by a few plastic clips. The passenger side is usually more straightforward and requires no tools. Reach behind the headlight assembly and find the back of the bulb housing. You will then twist the bulb socket about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock it from its position. With the socket unlocked, gently pull the old bulb straight out from its housing. Next, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing a small tab and sliding it off. Take your new bulb, being very careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can significantly shorten its lifespan. Connect the wire harness to the new bulb, then insert it into the housing and twist it 1/4 turn clockwise to lock it securely in place. Finally, it's time to put everything back together. Reinstall any air intake components or dust covers you removed, making sure they are securely fastened. Double-check all your electrical connections to ensure they are snug and properly seated. Then, turn on your Nissan Rogue's headlights to confirm the new bulb illuminates correctly and brightly. Once you've verified everything is working as it should, you can safely close your hood and enjoy your restored visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.